Hi, so where can I find screw and nozzle?
When it comes to your production line, precision isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Take a look at this. This is our high performance diameter 22 screw engineer for perfect consistency and maximum durability. Paired with our diameter 30mm nozzle, you're looking at the design to reduce downtime and keep your output seamless. This premium gold coating is designed for extra wear resistance and smoother material flow. Don't settle for good enough. Give your machinery the upgrade it deserves. Contact us today to get yours.